Ever wonder what happens to your money after it lands in your bank account? It doesn't just sit there, it goes to work. Your money becomes part of a vast system, circulating through banks and financial markets, fueling businesses, homes, and public projects. Think of the economy as a body. Money is the blood, and financial institutions are the veins, moving resources where they're needed most. When you deposit money, the bank pools it with others and lends it out to families buying homes, entrepreneurs starting businesses, or governments building infrastructure. This flow connects savers with borrowers, keeping the economy alive and growing. Even a small deposit helps power this system, creating a ripple effect in your community. Your financial choices matter. They help drive jobs, innovation, and growth. Understanding this journey is the first step to making your money work for you. If money is the blood, financial institutions are the heart, pumping it through the economy. Banks take your deposits and lend them out, supporting everything from car loans to new homes. Insurance companies pool premiums to protect against life's risks, investing those funds to keep the system strong. Pension funds and investment companies grow your retirement savings by investing in businesses and projects that drive the economy forward. All these institutions, banks, insurers, pension funds, are intermediaries connecting savers and borrowers, investors and businesses. They build trust, making sure your money is safe and productive. Without them, your savings would sit idle and businesses would struggle to grow. These institutions are the backbone of a healthy financial system. They make the flow of money efficient, reliable, and secure. Trust in these systems is what keeps the economy moving. Financial markets are where money changes hands, fast. The stock market lets companies raise money by selling shares. Investors buy in, hoping for growth. The bond market allows governments and companies to borrow from the public, promising to pay back with interest. The foreign exchange market, or Forex, is where currencies are traded, enabling global business and travel. These markets set prices for stocks, bonds, and currencies based on supply and demand. They give businesses access to capital, governments the means to fund projects, and individuals a chance to grow their savings. Markets are dynamic, connecting people and capital around the clock. They keep money moving to where it's needed most. This is the nerve center of the financial world. Why do these systems matter? First, they help your money grow. Investing beats inflation and builds wealth for your future. Second, they provide liquidity. You can access your cash or sell investments quickly when you need to. Third, they spread risk. Insurance and investment funds pool resources so no one bears a loss alone. Diversification, spreading money across many investments, makes saving safer. Without these functions, businesses couldn't expand, jobs would dry up, and individuals would face financial shocks alone. These systems create stability and opportunity for everyone. They're the invisible framework supporting our daily lives. They make it possible to save, invest, and plan for the future. That's why understanding them is so important. This isn't just theory. It affects your life every day. Your savings help fund local businesses, create jobs, and support public projects. The interest on your loans, the price of goods, even your pension, all are shaped by the financial system. Take Sarah. Her savings help a local entrepreneur open a coffee shop, creating jobs and fueling her community. Every transaction, from using a debit card to paying taxes, connects you to this vast network. Understanding how it works empowers you to make smarter choices with your money. It helps you navigate news, ask better questions, and plan for your future. The financial system belongs to all of us. The more we know, the better we can shape it.